Madeira Islands Archipelago are one of the most searched paradises by divers from all over the world. Or at least those who have been lucky enough to visit the waters from the islands. In August 2021, during the midst of the COVID pandemic, I took a trip to the beautiful Funchal, the main island, with my buddy Tânia. So we take our plane at Lisbon Airport and there we went, flying over Atlantic Ocean. We were both excited to explore the island and experience some of the amazing scuba diving that Madeira is famous for. In this videos we will show you not only the underwater life but also the tasty food and the fantastic places that the island of Funchal has to offer. After we settled at our beautiful villa with a nice view over the city, we made our first meal on this beautiful restaurant, before heading down to Cypraia Dive Center inside the Pestana Vidamar. Our first dive was at the Vidamar House Reef, and it was an experience we will never forget. We arrived at the dive center, eager to get into the water. We met our guide, Sydney, who was friendly and knowledgeable about the area. As we descended into the water, the first thing we noticed was the stunning blue color of the ocean. It was exactly as Jaques Cousteau had described, the most beautiful blue. The water was crystal clear, and we could see the colorful fishes below us. We were in awe of the amazing underwater world that surrounded us. The colors and patterns of the fishes were so vivid and beautiful. We saw schools of fish swimming around us, and even spotted a few rays and octopuses hiding in the rocks. As we swam around the reef, we felt weightless and free. It was like we were in a different world. We could hear only the sound of our own breathing, and the bubbles escaping from our regulators. Our dive lasted around 45 minutes, but it felt like it went by in a flash. When we surfaced, we both had huge grins on our faces. It was an experience we will never forget. Our first dive in Madeira was an unforgettable experience. The clear blue waters and colorful fishes were just as we had hoped, and the team at Cypraia Dive Center made sure we felt safe and comfortable throughout the whole dive. We can't wait to go back and explore more of the underwater world that Madeira has to offer. Thank you to the Cypraia Dive Center and to Sydney for an amazing dive experience. Until next time, Madeira. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up and leave a comment. You will see in the next videos the beautiful dive spots we explored in Funchal. And thus ended our first dive. It was the first time we saw such colorful fish. But this was the first day of 7 fantastic days to discover the island of Funchal, underwater and on the surface. Upcoming videos dedicated to the sinking Corvette Afonso Sequeira and other magnificent dive spots. Now, time to relax with a good Madeiran poncha and a fantastic dinner. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed.